old woman a-picking young nettles, and she ne'er saw me coming. I listened a while to the song she was humming. Glory-o, glory-o, to the bold Fenian men. It's 50 long years since I saw the moon beaming on strong manly forms and eyes with hope gleaming. I'll see them again in all my sad dreaming. Glory-o, glory-o, to the bold Fenian men. When I was a young lad, they're marching and drilling, awoken at Glenside, sounds awesome and thrilling. They loved ye old Ireland, to die they were willing. Glory-o, glory-o, to the bold Fenian men. Some died by that Glenside, some died with a stranger, and wise men have told us their cause was a failure. They loved ye old Ireland, and they never feared danger. Glory-o, glory-o, to the bold Fenian men. I went on me way, God be praised that I met her. Be lifelong or short, sure I'll never forget her. We may have good men, but we'll never have better. Glory-o, glory-o, to the